Hello guys, welcome to the Harbour Villa. Welcome. If this is your first time of seeing my video, it means you are lucky. Try as much as possible to follow this channel. Okay, follow this channel, you will definitely get a lot. Okay, stop playing. There is power in nature. I always say it, there is power in nature. All right, you can see a lot of our great grandparents, our ancestors use all these herbs, all these natural herbs you are seeing today, and we were not hearing all these illnesses we are hearing today. Today, you hear a lot of illnesses. There are some that you will hear. You need to go and consult your dictionary before you can know the meaning of that illness. Those are the things that we were not hearing before. A lot of you will not ask question. Why is it that all these our ancestors use all these things and we were not hearing all these sicknesses? Why? You don't ask that question, but you only come maybe because of you have been educated and you come up and be insulting what your great grandfather used and stay alive. These herbs, okay? You come and condemn it. My guy, you are gradually losing your heritage. That is just it. You are losing your heritage because this is what God asks you to use. He said these herbs are for your food and for your medicine. Yes, it's in the Bible. It's not me that is saying it. It's in the Bible. He said it's for your food and for your medicine. But today, you see so many of us abandoning all these things and start chasing what will cause more complication in our life. Hey!
Oh, Mumu, not too much.
Hey!
Wow. See,
whether you like it or not, there is power in all these things you are seeing. There is power in it. A lot of people will not tell you there is power in it. Stop playing. Stop playing. Enter this channel. There are videos that will solve your issue.